Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility so connections will work. Check HDMI, optical, and RCA on both devices. Once done, position the receiver close to your TV and speakers, leaving ventilation space so it won't overheat. Make sure the receiver is powered through a surge protector and the remote has batteries. Now plug in power but don't turn it on yet. This order prevents accidental shorts and lets you keep track of which cable goes where as you begin the hookup. You next route the cables logically. Connect your source device to the receiver's HDMI in, then HDMI out ARC/eARC to the TV. Once connected, attach speaker wires paying attention to polarity, positive to positive, negative to negative, so sound is in phase. If using a soundbar or older components, opt for optical or coax digital audio. This prevents signal loss when HDMI ARC isn't supported. After connections, tidy cables and label ends. This saves time if you swap devices and keeps interference to a minimum when you power on. You power the receiver and select the input you connected. Run the automatic speaker calibration or manually set levels to balance sound across channels. Make sure HDMI ARC or eARC and CEC are enabled on both TV and receiver so audio and remote commands pass through. Once configured, test with multiple sources and formats to verify lip sync and channel routing. If playback fails, check cable seating and input selection first. One key troubleshooting tip: swap cables and try a different HDMI port to isolate a faulty lead or port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.